Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com, and I have something new today. We have a new stamp set that was released in November to our customers, and I thought I would show it you. It is this gorgeous A Christmas Rose. It is a two-part stamp set, and what's exciting about this is one part is a cling mount stamp and this bit is all photopolymer. So this one here that does the outline is great. It's one of our red rubber stamps, which means you can get a good solid print on it. And then the infills, so this bit here, this is our distinctive type stamp sets. We'll do the different ink layering and it can fit in each bit. And as we've got the Stamparatus, it will be so easy to line up the photopolymer sets to go directly into the Christmas Rose. This stamp set has also been released with some DSP. It's been released with this gorgeous gold ribbon. Check it out. There is also dies to match the stamp set. And finally, there is this. Now, I'm going to pre-warn you, it's not in the box because I haven't been able to take it off since I got it. It's this gorgeous bracelet and it reminds me of my Pandora bracelets because you pinch it and you're able to open it and then you close it. And it has a gorgeous rose on it, just like the rose that is on the stamp set, and it's got the Stampin' Up logo. How amazing is that? And you can get that as well. You can buy it as a full bundle with everything in, or you can just buy the stamps and dies as you can a normal bundle, or you can just buy each individual bit. The ribbon itself is just stunning. But yes, so that is what I got, and it's available to all customers now in November, but it's on a limited time period. Once stock has sold, it is sold and it won't be coming back. So this is a limited edition stamp set. You will find all the details on this stamp set over on my blog, along with prices and links to my store to purchase it. But right now I have a card for you. So I'm doing a non-traditional coloured Christmas card today using this set. And it's so simple. Let me show you how to make it. I'm using my Stamparatus and I have my white card for an already pre-cut. I pre-cut all my card fronts at 9.5 centimetres by 13.8 centimetres. So I'm just going to pop that in. For those in America, this is I've cut this obviously to a UK size. You will obviously have different sizes because your cardstock's different. So if you just cut it a 1/4 of an inch in from the side of your cardstock, so if you take if you take 1/2 inch off your cardstock so that it's a 1/4 of an inch on each side, and then it will allow you for your mounts at 1/8 of an inch. So I'm just going to pop that on my cardstock. There we go. I'm going to use my stamp box just to pop that up so I can ink it properly. And my memento, I've left it on the desk behind me. One day I will do a video where I have everything on my desk. One day it will happen. I don't think it will happen either. Too scatty. So as it's a big stamp, that's why I've done it on my Stamparatus. So as I'm stamping it, I can make sure that I can put my ink on it and go again, because sometimes you just miss a bit on a big stamp set, or I do. It's great to have my Stamparatus to hand. Let's try it this time. Push down extra special in the middle so that I've got it. Ta-da! Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Now, I was very tempted to get out all of my blends and start colouring away. I haven't. I refrained. I just got one out, which is the light Bermuda Bay. If I was going to be using the second part of the stamp set, which is this bit with the infills, this is where you'd use your Stamparatus to layer it up. So for instance, this one here, you would just pop it straight over the top of the rose like that, and you can see it just fits perfectly, and it's going to have that indentation. What's great about the stamp is you can see the shadow. So you see this lip part, that's not going to stamp, but the shadow bit will. So you can see exactly where you're going to hit on the stamp to make sure it's lined up, because it will be a different colour, a bit like masking. Okay, so with my light Bermuda Bay, I'm just going to colour in all of the berries. I know berries that are in Bermuda Bay, but if I wasn't going to blend it and I was going to try and keep it simple and just use one colour, it was always going to be Bermuda Bay because it's my favourite. I love Bermuda Bay. It's just gorgeous. I actually quite prefer the dark Bermuda Bay, but because it is a Christmas card, I thought let's not make it too dark, let's keep it airy and go with a light one. And I was being lazy. I couldn't be bothered to blend all of these little berries because it's a simple card. However, I've got a feeling sometime nearer Christmas you're going to get a card that is this blended in completely, because I'm not going to be able to resist. I sit in front of the TV of an evening, I just blend away. Blend and fussy cut, that's my TV jobs. I think it's really relaxing. We're clearing out my nan's house at the moment. It's very, very sad. Bless her, she's got dementia and she's moved into her home, and we're having to sell her house, which is very sad because it's got lots of memories in. But she used to at one point go camping, and she had all of her camping equipment, and she's got this really old camping table, and I took it out of the garage and brought it home so I could use it as a craft table in front of the TV, and it's quite a long picnic table. And then as I was going through her pictures the other day, the camping table was on the pictures, and these were like from the 30s or the 40s. So I've now propped up my little camping table because I thought I'm not going to trust it. It's just going to go like this with the age, bless it. So there we go, all the berries I've blended in. I'm just going to have some Whisper White as a scrap. I don't have a scrap, so I'm using one of my card fronts that I've cut because I don't have a scrap. My memento, and I'm using this sentiment here. May this Christmas fill your heart with warmth and love. There is this one as well, wishing you gifts of the season, peace and joy, and this Merry Christmas here. So it does have some nice sentiments. But this one just fits nice with a pretty label punch. Block. I love that sound. You know when you have a new stamp and you stamp it down and it sticks to the paper, and as you peel it off you get like a squelch. Such a good sound, because you know the stamp's new and it still needs all the love. It's great. So I'm just going to punch that out. And then I have a piece of Bermuda Bay cardstock. This is 10 centimetres by 14.3 centimetres. So I've just added half a centimetre on from this, and if you were doing it in inches you'd add your extra 1/4 of an inch, and that's how you'd make it. Let's stick that down. If you've been following my YouTube, you will know that I have about 6 Tombos at the side of my desk, and all of them feel empty, and I've got them all upside down on my light stand here, and I'm waiting to see which one runs out first. I never know which one I'm grabbing, but one of my videos is going to get like 6 empty bottles because they all feel empty, but they all still seem to be giving me glue, so it surprises me each time they work. There we are. Base of my card is half a sheet of A4 paper cut in half. I've scored it, so I'm just going to fold it. I'm going to try, this is a different Tombow I think to the last one. See? But it feels really empty. The gift that keeps giving, lots and lots of Tombow. For those who are in the UK and are wondering why you can't get Tombow on my shop, we've got a problem with Tombow in Europe where it got stuck in customs. And by fulfilling back orders, we actually emptied the whole of Tombow Europe. So they've had to order some more in. So we're waiting for a big shipment of Tombow to come in, and then it'll be back available on my store. So I'm going to pop this just on the bottom there. So I'm going to work out where I want my tail of ribbon to be. I want it to be there. So I'm going to pop one glue dot there. And one glue dot next to it. My ribbon. And some snips. So this is a striped Bermuda Bay ribbon. You can also get this in Gorgeous Grape, and that's gorgeous too. So look out for it in the catalogue. And it feels really nice as well. You can actually feel the stripes on it. So I'm just going to pop that tail on. 1, 2. Pop a couple of dimensionals onto the back of my sentiment. And there we go, a really quick and easy card using the new Christmas Rose stamp set. And it's effective, and it's only using one colour, and it's just so quick and easy. How beautiful is that rose? Look out for it on my store, do check it out on my blog, but if you do like it, get looking at getting it quite quick, because as it's a limited edition one and it's Christmas, I've got a feeling it's going to go. And the same as the bracelet, so do check that one out as well. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you soon. If you did like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!